Number 35 asks, what is 12/60ths expressed in lowest terms? 12 over 60 in lowest terms is going to be, well, we could divide by some different numbers here to start. If you didn't notice what the biggest number that went into both of these is, you could at least start, I would hope, by noticing, hey, these are both even. I could divide by 2 to start. So let's start there. Dividing both of those by 2 gives us 6 on the top, and it looks like gives us 30 on the bottom. And let's say you notice, I still don't know what the biggest number is that goes into both of those. However, I can see that both are even, so I'm going to divide by 2 again. You could do that. You'd get 3 over 15, and then you might notice, hey, I know 3 goes into 15, so I can divide both of these by 3, and we'd get 1 over 5. Now that was a long way to do it. Does it work? Absolutely. Does it work? Yes, definitely works. However, we could have started by dividing by something larger. We could have started dividing by, oh, I know a 6 goes into 60, and I know 6 goes into 12, so I can do divided by 6 divided by 6. And then that would leave me with 2 over 10. I could divide by 2. I could divide by something else still. I can still reduce that down farther, and I would get 1 over 5. Well, would you look at that? It's the same answer. Yep, it's just a different way to do the same problem. And if you were really slick, you might have noticed that 12 goes into 12 and 12 goes into 60. That's the biggest number that would be a factor of both of those. So I have 1 and I have 5 if I do that. So there's different ways to reduce fractions. Some ways, if you use smaller numbers, it takes longer, but it might be what you see. So whatever you see first, divide by that and see what you get. If you can still divide by something else, just keep going until you can't divide both numbers by the same number anymore. So 1/5, either way, any way you do that reduction correctly, you're going to get choice C for number 35.